everyone, welcome back to my channel. With the latest buzz around Navya Nanda getting into IIM Ahmedabad, a lot of students must be thinking कि क्या कोई मैनेजमेंट कोटा आ गया है या फिर कोई नया कोर्स लॉन्च हुआ है जिसमें सेलेब्स को एडमिशन मिल रहा है IIM Ahmedabad जैसे प्रेस्टीजियस इंस्टीट्यूट में. So I thought why not make a video on this explaining कि क्या कोर्स है, what is the fee structure for this course, how to get admission into this course, who all should apply and what about the placements offered. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. The program is known as Blended Postgraduate Program BPGP and anyone can do it. On the IIM Ahmedabad website, you can find it under the online MBA courses. Let us understand what exactly is BPGP. So IIM Ahmedabad offers this online program to entrepreneurs and business professionals who want to work but alongside they want to understand more about business. So this program offers managerial context to people who are already working. This is a 2-year course with most of the course being conducted online, but there is a component of offline course also. So for the 20-25% of the course, the students have to be on campus. So now let us understand what is the eligibility criteria for this course. So unlike your CAT exam, which anyone with a bachelor's degree can give, this exam has specific criteria that you need to fulfill so that you can take up this course. So the first criteria is that you should have 3 years of full-time work experience. In this, your internships will not be counted. It should be your complete work experience. The second criteria is that you should be 24 or above in your age. And the third criteria is that you should have a bachelor's or equivalent degree. Coming to the admission exams that you can give to seek an admission into this course. So there are 3 different kind of admission tests. The first is the IIM Ahmedabad admission exam known as IAT. So IIM Ahmedabad conducts its own entrance exam once a year throughout the whole country, and the format of the exam is similar to your other management exams. Second is a valid CAT score from past 5 years, and third is a GMAT or a GRE score. Now coming to the selection process timeline. So the admission form for this course opens in the month of February. Once you fill the form, and then if you want to appear for the IAT exam, then it is conducted in the month of May. Or if you don't want to give the IAT exam, then you can directly give your GMAT, GRE or your CAT score. Once you've given the exam, then the results come by the end of May or in the first week of June, and post that a PI is conducted, which is a personal interview that is similar to your CAT or your other exam personal interview. And once you have qualified all of these rounds, then you get an admission letter in which you have the confirmation that you can join the course. Once you receive the admission offer letter, you have to accept your candidature and pay the fees. And after that, you will get the pre-MBA module in the month of August. And in the month of September, the actual course begins. Now coming to the course fee and the placements. So the course fee for the program is 20 lakh rupees for 2 years, and there are no placements offered. I know a lot of you would be shocked that why there are no placements. But it makes complete sense for a course like this, because most of the people who enroll in this course are either professionals who are already working with the firm, or are people who are already having their own personal ventures and want to excel in them. So it makes complete sense not to have placements as a part of this curriculum. So who should be actually applying for this course? So if you are someone who is already having a full-time job but you want to know more about the business side of things and how actually companies work and make profit, then this course is made for you. You can go and check out the IIM Ahmedabad website to know more about this course. I have tried to cover everything that is relevant. Do comment below if you have any other doubts. I will try to help out you guys. I hope I have added some value with this video in your life. If that is the case, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.